Hello, travellers! High in the hills of Sri Lanka's central Highlands, where clouds dance through emerald peaks and waterfalls whisper through tea-covered slopes, there lies a town that feels like poetry in motion. Welcome to Ella, a place where nature, adventure and serenity collide to create a traveller's dream. Tucked into the heart of Sri Lanka's hill country, Ella is more than just a destination, it's a feeling. With its cool mountain air, endless greenery and panoramic views, Ella invites you to slow down, breathe deep and lose yourself in the rhythm of nature. No visit to Ella is complete without witnessing the magic of the Nine Arches Bridge, a colonial-era marvel built entirely of stone and brick, curving gracefully through the jungle. As the colourful train chugs slowly across it, it's as if time stands still, and the world is exactly as it should be. For adventurers, Ella delivers some of the most unforgettable hikes in Sri Lanka. Little Adam's Peak, an easy trek with big rewards, offering a sweeping view over tea valleys and distant peaks. Ella Rock, a more challenging trail, where every step rewards you with solitude, misty forests, and a summit view that leaves you speechless. And along the way, you'll pass smiling locals, hidden temples, and tea pickers weaving through the hills, snapshots of Sri Lanka's soul. Ella is also steeped in legend. Just outside the town flows Ravana Falls, named after the mythical King Ravana of the Ramayana epic. It is said he once hid Princess Sita in the nearby Ravana cave, carved deep into the mountain. Here, myth and nature intertwine, inviting travellers not only to explore but to wonder. But Ella is not just about landscapes. It's about moments, sipping pure Ceylon tea as the fog rolls in, sharing stories with fellow travellers at a cosy cafe, or practicing yoga at sunrise, surrounded by rolling hills. The town blends eco-conscious living, local hospitality, and global curiosity in a way that feels beautifully effortless. Whether you're here for adventure or introspection, Ella welcomes all. And for many, it's not just the views that make Ella unforgettable, it's the people, the peace, and the sense that you're part of something timeless and true. So come, rise above the noise of the world and discover the soul of Sri Lanka in the hills of Ella. Ella, where the mountains speak and the heart listens.